Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I hope you all of you learned the previous day portions and writing everything in your note. So today we will start from the 10th problem. So now listen carefully, listen it, concentrate in your class. Okay, so problem number 10. The marginal revenue in thousands of rupees. Okay, so when you are finding the answer, you need to write it in thousands of rupees. In example, same one question we have completed. Functions for a particular commodity is 5 plus 3 into e power minus 0.03x, where x denotes the number of units sold. Determine the total revenue from the sale of 100 units. Given e power minus 3 equal to 0.05. It is approximately. Okay. So marginal revenue functions for the particular commodity is given. So marginal revenue functions for the particular commodity. So revenue, you will take the letter as R, is it right? Always it will be R. Cost means C. Demand function means P. Revenue function means R. That and all you keep it in mind. Okay. Average cost means AC. Marginal cost means MC. That is DC by DX. Then revenue function means R. That's equal to PX. Then demand function means P. That's equal to R by X. So this everything statements you keep it in mind. Then only it will be very easy for you. Okay students. So here what they say? Marginal revenue. So marginal revenue means dr by dx. Okay, so when I'm teaching the examples I tell. So that's the value given. So solution, marginal revenue is given. Okay, so that is dr by dx. The value is given as 5 plus 3 into e power minus 0.03x. Okay, so now you can integrate. That is integrate dr is equal to integral of 5 plus 3 e power minus 0.03x into dx. Okay, so r is equal to integrated 5x plus 3 is a constant e power minus 0.03x divided by quotient, that is minus 0.03 plus 1 constant k. Okay, so you can cancel this. So if you cancel, I think it will be get as 100. Okay, multiply and see. So r is equal to 5x minus, this minus will go here. So minus 100 e power minus 0.03 plus k. This is equation number 1. So what did you do then? When x equal to 0 or also 0 to find the k value. So substitute in 1 ma. So 0 equal to 5 into 0 minus 100 e power minus 0.03 into 0 plus k. So what will happen? So it will be 0. We will get 0 equal to minus 3 e power minus 100. Okay, so minus 100 plus e power 0. Okay, plus k. So k equal to 100. This is a k value. Now substitute in 1. R is equal to 5x minus 100 e power minus 0.03x plus 100. Okay, now come to the question. They asked for determine the total revenue from the sale of 100 units. So what's the value of x here they asked? R we need to find. So where x is equal to 100. So in the place of x what will you do? In the place of x you need to substitute the value as 100. Understand? So in the place of x you need to substitute the value as 100. Okay, now substitute the value of x as 100. So r is equal to 5x equal to 100. It is given in a question. So given. Substitute 5 into 100 minus 100 into e power minus 0.03 into 100 plus 100. That's equal to or equal to 500 minus 100 e power minus 3 plus 100. The value of e power minus 3 is given as in your question 0.0. Substitute here r equal to 500 minus 100 into 0.05 plus 100. If you simplify, r equal to 600 minus 5, r equal to 595. In your question, they asked in thousands. Yes or no? The marginal revenue in thousands of rupees. Determine the total revenue for the sale of 100 units. Is it right? They asked in thousands. So what you need to do? In thousands they have. So 595 into thousands. That is equal to 595 rupees. Understand students? Understand? Have you got it? So resolve the things. Understand? Very easy. So dr by dx the value is given. From that you find out the r value. Then x is equal to 0, r also 0. So from that you find out the k value. Substitute in equation number 1. From that you will get the r value. X is equal to 100 units they asked you to find. So in the place of x you substitute as 100. So you will get the value as r. Okay. So in thousands they are. So if you will multiply with 1000. So listen in your question. If they are not asked in 1000, you no need to multiply with 1000. Okay. So in this question they asked in the first line in thousands of rupees. If they are not asked, please don't multiply with 1000 at last. Understand? Okay. We will move to the next question. Problem number 11. Problem number 11. Okay, so MR the value is given. MR is equal to 9 minus 4x square. Is it right? That is marginal revenue function. The value is given. You need to find the demand function. So how will you find the demand function? P is equal to R by X. If they ask the revenue function, R is equal to PX. Okay. So here marginal revenue it is given. So from that if you integrate on both sides, you will get the R value. So afterwards demand function easily you can find. Okay. So this MR is same as dr by dx is equal to 9 minus 4x squared. So separate it. dr integrate equal to integration of 9 minus 4x square into dx. R is equal to 9x minus 4x cube by 3 plus constant, that is k. So now, so what do we do? X also 0, R also 0. And x is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. So equation 1 implies 0 equal to 9 into 0 minus 4 into 0 cube by 3 plus k. So k equal to 0. Substitute in 1 ma. R is equal to 9x minus 4x cube by 3. Okay. So we need to find the demand function. Yes. So demand function, what's the formula? P is equal to R by X. Substitute 9x minus 4x cube by 3 divided by x. So P is equal to 9 minus 4x square by 3. Correct? This is the answer. Understand? I think now you will get, now you got a little bit idea. Okay? Yes? Okay, you got some idea. Okay, so if you are doing some problems, you will get more idea. Okay, so first you do one thing. First you understand all the concept. What do you mean by R? What do you mean by MR? What do you mean by MC? What do you mean by P? What do you mean by C? Everything you understand it and learn it. And afterwards, if you are doing it, it will be very easy for us. So in this problem, they gave the marginal revenue. So from that you can find the R value. Afterwards, demand function if you need means P is equal to R by X. That's all. Understand, students? Okay, let's move to next problem, 12th problem. Problem number 12. I write the question and then from there. Given the marginal revenue function 4 by 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 1, show that the average revenue function is p is equal to 4 by 6x plus 9 minus 1. Okay, what you need to prove? P is equal to 4 by 6x plus 9 minus 1. Very important question. Listen here very carefully. Understand? So just a calculation. Remaining everything it will be very simple. So calculation will be. Okay. So what's the value given in your question? First you go through that. Understand? Split up. What's the marginal revenue function? It is given in your question. First you write it. MR, it is given as 4 by 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 1. So MR means what's the meaning? dr by dx is equal to 4 by 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 1. So you can integrate it. That is integration of dr equal to 4 by 2x plus 3 the whole square minus 1 dx. Okay, then integrated. That is r is equal to 4 is a constant. Keep it in mind. You can bring this to numerator. That is 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 2 minus 1 dx. Okay, that's equal to 4 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, as well as what you need to do, ma? What's the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x you need to divide, that you know, is it right? That is ax plus b the whole power means also you will divide by the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 2 minus x plus 1 constant, that's equal to 2, correct? So 2 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus x plus k. Okay, so what will happen? You can bring this minus 2 here. So you can bring this minus 2 here. So minus 2 into 2x plus 3 the whole power minus 1 minus x plus k. So r is equal to minus 2 divided by, you can bring this to denominator, 2x plus 3 minus x plus k. So take it as equation number 1. Listen very carefully. MR, marginal revenue. So dr by dx is equal to, then dr is equal to, here you need to be very careful when you are integrating. If there is a coefficient of x, you need to divide by the coefficient of x. So in last chapter I have taught you. Okay, so because of that, listen very carefully. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So you need to divide by the coefficient. Understand? So now we have we need to find the k value. So how will you find the k value? X is equal to 0, r also 0. Substitute. 1 implies 0 equal to minus 2 by 2 into 0 plus 3 minus 0 plus k. So 0 equal to minus 2 by 3 plus k. So k equal to 2 by 3. Now you got the value of k equal to 2 by 3. Understand? Now substitute in 1. 1 implies r is equal to minus 2 by 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2 by 3. Okay. Now what we need to do? This is a answer for r is it right? We need to find the demand function. What's the formula for demand function? R by x. So r is equal to minus 2 by each and every time you need to divide by x. Is it right? So x into 2x plus 3 minus x divided by x plus 2 by 3x general divide by x. That is r is equal to, you can join this 2, that is minus 2 by x into 2x plus 3. This will get cancelled, 1 plus 2 by 3x minus 1. So what's the we can take anything common? Yes. So 1 by x you can take it common in first two terms. So minus 2 by 2x plus 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 1. So take the LCM. 1 by x into 3 into 2x plus 3 is the LCM. Cross multiply minus 6 plus 2 into 2x plus 3 minus 1. That is r is equal to 1 by x into minus 6 plus 4x plus 6 divided by 6x plus 9 minus 1. So this will get cancelled. So it's not r, it is p. Okay, ma? So cancel. So what's the balance? P is equal to 4x divided by 6x plus 9. Outside 1 x is there, minus 1. So this x and x will get cancelled. So P is equal to 4 by 6x plus 9 minus 1. This only you need to prove. See the question? Whether this only you need to prove? Okay. This only you need to prove. Understand? Okay. So listen the question. P is equal to 4 by 6x plus 9 minus 1. This only you need to do. So I am going to repeat it again. Listen here. So mr is given. So dr by dx, integrate on both sides. So you will get the r value. R is equal to, here you need to be very careful. X for any coefficient is there means you need to divide by the coefficient. So here 2 is the coefficient, so you need to divide by the coefficient. So afterwards cancelled. Here it is minus 1. This minus you can bring it here. It is whole power minus 1. You can bring this to numerator. X is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So equation 1 implies substitute in 1. From that you will get the k value. So equation 1 is equal to, substituted the k value. Demand function P is equal to r by x. So simplify each value by x. Cancel this 2 I have joined. Take down the LCM and then I have simplified. And I have got the answer as 4 by 6x plus 9 minus 1. Very important question. Very important. Please learn it, students. This only you need to prove. Understand? So we have completed up to problem number 12. So learn it. So I think today it's enough. Okay, so 3 problems we have learned. 3 also very important questions today. So we'll start from problem number 13 in our next class. Before that, please learn it. Okay, don't leave anything. So today your work is 3 problems I have taught it. So you take down these 3 problems to your classwork and write down in your rough notes. Okay. So one thing you do, this 3.1. So I think, I hope you all wrote the test in our completed portion up to 3.1. Okay. So up to 3.1, I hope you all of you completed your exams very nicely. So this 3.2 exercise you have not wrote for the exam. So the 3.2 exercise, one thing you do, take down one paper separately and write down all the formulas. So what are the formulas? It's very very useful. Means page number 65, first formula C, then AC one formula is there, then 2. Okay, then 66 one formula is there. That's the third formula. 0 to R f of t dt, rate of growth, third formula. Then fourth formula, page number 67, it is demand function. P is equal to Rx as well as revenue function on formula is there. Then next one, page number 68, up to find the maximum profit on formula is there. Then page number 70, inventory, the formula is there. C1 into. Then same page, consumption of natural resource, one formula is there. P naught e power kt. Then page number 71, 2 or 3 formulas are there. Eta d, that's all. So this is all the things. So please take down your paper or in your back side of your classwork. Okay, you put the headings one by one and write down the formula alone. Then only you will feel very easy when you are doing this exercise. Will you do? I hope you will do. Please students, today you do that. Okay, so take down on separate paper. If you are taking on paper means you will write it and you will throw away. So otherwise in your back side of your note you can write on nearly 10 to 11 formulas are there. Put down the heading and write down. Learn it thoroughly, and afterwards if you are going through these problems it will be very easy and it will be very interesting for you. Okay. So be safe students. Maintain your classwork, learn your portions every day. We will meet in the next class. Thank you students. We'll start from problem number 30. Before it, I've completed it. Thank you.